Okay, so I'm going to briefly talk to you about taping up a system. This is called Extendabond. This is the sort of tape that we would normally use as a bit of a go-to. All these holes through here keep the skin breathing through their hair system. These are supposed to be waterproof straight away. Obviously we probably still recommend the 24 hours. They come in strips and they are £2.50, and you've got the backing that comes off. So this is the front. What you would normally do is you would normally get your hair system, pop it upside down. I always pin it onto a head that you can get off eBay or somewhere. You can do this over your knee. You get your strip and you cut the strip to the size that you want, and you follow the contour of the hair system. So it sounds a bit difficult, but basically there's my strip. I'm going to look at that contour here and I'm going to pop a cut in following that kind of shape. So I've cut it to that shape there, okay? And I'm doing it about that thick purely for the fact that that will sit nicely all the way around the hair system and leave the middle to breathe. You can do just around the edges, or you can do the full system. Basically, once you've cut that off, you take off the backing, the blue backing carefully. Try not to touch it too much. And really all you're doing is you're popping the tape onto the hair system following the contour, and you're getting that right up against the edges, okay? So that is one bit of tape down. To do the next bit, you just take one side of that Extendabond off really nice and carefully. So you've then got the next area to tape up. Again, I'm following the contour of the hair system, so there's not as much of a bend in that. So on the next bit, I'm just going to cut the tape into a slight curve. As you can see, not as much of a curve. Take off the backing, and I'm overlapping this tape onto the side that we've taken off. Just gives it a really seamless finish all the way around. Okay, so I've now followed that whole contour all the way around, and I'll continue doing that all the way around the system. Obviously around this area I'm not going to put a contour in, I'm going to keep it nice and straight. Okay, so I have just taped up all the way around the edge of this hair system, overlapping each one as I go and leaving one side still on, so it just keeps it so it's not, you're not going to end up dropping it or getting any hair caught in it. This part here is the excess lace. This is one of our new hair systems that we will keep in the office for demos. So this area here hasn't been cut off. When you're taping up a system, where this end of the white is where the end of the hair system will sit. So you're buffering that up right against the edge of the lace. And I've gone all the way around, following the contour and all the way around. This area is the front of the hair system. Again, all this excess lace here would come off at a fitting, and when you're doing the tape you'll be following that area, not here. What we would normally do is we would normally still glue the front of the hairline. This gives you the seamless finish. Obviously the tape is not as seamless as glue. So if you were to do tape, you would either do like we've done all the way around the edge, okay? And you could either then do a strip of tape along here as well. So you would take off that side and that side, and you would tape along here. Or you would do the whole lot with tape if that's what you wanted, and keep the rest of glue. Or if you are having your hair in a not swept back and covering the hairline, some people will continue the tape all the way around the hairline or all the way through here as well. The idea of the tape, especially with the Extendabond, is that you've got all this breathing space where the air holes are, and you've also got this breathing space here as well if you do tape across there. But we have got clients that will do tape attachments the whole way over. A bit like a jigsaw, but you would then just continue to do the tape in the middle, overlapping as you go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.